cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another amazing recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some candied yam. Yes, I'm telling you, I love candied yam. I make it a few times and trust me, the flavor is just everything. It is super delicious and it just so yummy. If you haven't tried candied yam before, well guys, here's the video. I hope you make it for your family. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. Okay, thank you all so much in advance. So guys, here I have 4 large sweet potato. I also have at least 1 cup of my brown sugar and 1 cup of my granulated sugar. These are my spices. Here I have ½ teaspoon of my ginger powder. I also have 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder and ½ teaspoon of my allspice. Yes. Also gonna add some vanilla. This is at least 1 teaspoon. And 1 orange. Yes, guys, the orange is just gonna give it a nice flavor with all that juice. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be super yummy. Now I'm just gonna peel my potato. You're just gonna give them a wash. So now I'm gonna cut it up. Like so. Don't want to cut it, you know, too thick. Just gonna put them in my bowl right here. So now guys, I'm gonna make my syrup for my candied yam. First, I'm gonna add some butter to my pan. I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of my unsalted butter. So after my butter is melted, it doesn't have to be perfect, I'm gonna add my sugar. My stove is on a medium heat. Try not to turn up your stove too high. Then I'm gonna add all my spices. My vanilla. And I'm also gonna add my orange. I'm gonna squeeze that juice. Now allow it to come to a boil. I'm just gonna add just a pinch of my salt. So you see guys, it has come to a boil. I'm gonna turn my stove off. Smells so good. I'm just gonna finish it off with some more butter, at least over 2 tablespoons. So guys, I'm gonna bake my candied yam. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add just a bit of my syrup to the bottom. Yeah, like so. This looks so good. Spread it out. As you can see, I'm just adding my yam. I'm just gonna sprinkle just a bit of my cinnamon powder. That's it. So that's done. So now I'm gonna add my syrup and I'm gonna put it in my oven guys for at least 35 minutes and 200 Celsius. You can put your oven to 400 to 350 degree. You know, pour it on. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm telling you, this right here guys, your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. Trust me, it's gonna be so yummy. I'm just gonna finish it off with some more of my cinnamon powder, and in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, my candied yam is all finished, and guys, trust me, it looking super delicious. It's been baking in my oven for at least 35 minutes. Try to feel it, okay? Because you don't want it to be super soft. As you can see, the fork go right through. Oh my gosh guys, it looks so good. Look at that, perfect. Guys, now I'm just gonna add my candied yam onto my plate right there. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so yummy. So my candied yam is all plated up, and guys, make sure you add some of that delicious syrup all over it. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you try it, please don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. And also remember to give this video a thumbs up. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and enjoy.
And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen.